Hello friends, welcome to Unreal Engine video tutorials series. In this video tutorial, we are going to understand how to create a simple cage material in Unreal Engine step by step. So let's get started. You can see at the desktop I have t underscore metal underscore cage underscore d, t underscore metal underscore cage underscore n. We have diffuse map as well as the normal map. I'm going to import these two to the project, guys. I right click on the content folder, say new folder, name it as textures. I hit enter and then I go to desktop, select both the textures and drag and drop to the textures folder. It is telling texture t underscore metal underscore cage underscore n was imported as a normal map. Is it okay? Yes, okay. It should be imported as a normal map. After that, I right click on the content folder, say new folder, name it as materials. I hit enter. Then I am going to create a new material. Right click, same material. Name it as m underscore metal underscore cage. I hit enter. That creates a material. I double click to open it. You can see that m underscore metal underscore cage material is open in the material editor. After opening the material, we have to define three core material properties, guys. They are material domain, blend mode and shading model. Material domain, I am going to select surface because we are going to use this material to give a look and feel to 3D surface. We are going to apply this material to a 3D surface. So material domain, we should select surface. Next, blend mode, I am going to change from opaque to masked because our cage object is going to have some areas with 100% opacity, some areas with 100% transparent. So when the object has 100% opaque areas, 100% transparent areas, in that case blend mode should be masked, guys. And shading model, we are going to select default lit because the object is going to reflect the incoming light, guys. So these are the three core material properties we have to define. After that, we define the base color. I right click here, search for texture sample node. In the details panel, I am going to select t underscore metal underscore cage underscore diffuse map. Connect the RGB pin to the base color, guys. You can see that the texture is applied to the material, but we are not seeing the transparent areas. To see transparent areas, we connect the alpha pin to the opacity mask. You can see now we can see 100% transparent areas and 100% opaque areas on the material. Instead of seeing it on the sphere, let's see it on the cube, right? And also what I do, I select the main material node. I'm going to select here two-sided option. So now we can see a proper cage looking material, guys. After this, we are going to define the metallic property, whether this object is made of metal or non-metal. I drag a wire from metallic property and search for constant node. If constant node value is 0, that means it is non-metallic. If constant node value is 1, that means it is metallic. Of course, our cage is metallic, so definitely constant value should be 1. You see, it's now looking like a metal. Next, we define the roughness of the surface. I drag a wire from roughness and search for the constant node. If roughness value is 0, then the surface will be more smooth and shiny, guys. You can see that. We can increase the roughness value here, for example 0.7, to make the surface look like a rough surface, guys. After that, we define the normal map. So I right click here and search for texture sample node. In the details panel, I am going to select the normal map T metal cage N. That adds some lumps and bumps on the surface, guys. I connect the RGB pin to the normal property. Now we get some depth on the surface of the object, guys. So that is how we create a simple cage material in Unreal Engine 5. Let's save this and apply it to a 3D surface. I go to place actors, go to shapes and drag and drop a cube. Now this cube I want to convert into a cage. All I need is apply the material to the cube, guys. Just drag and drop. You can see that now it is going to look like a cage. So that is how you create a simple cage material in Unreal Engine and apply it to a 3D surface, guys. So if you want the cage should look like a cylinder cage, just take the cylinder actor and apply the material, guys. You can see that we got a cylinder like cage. That's it, guys, for this video tutorial. I suggest you people to try it yourself, experiment, try creating some other materials which have 100% opaque area and 100% transparent areas. If you like this video, hit the like button and share with your friends so that everyone will get benefited. In the upcoming video tutorials, we are going to discuss more about Unreal Engine. For more benefits and be up to date, do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Keep learning, keep gaming, keep sharing. Thank you guys. Thank you very much. See you in the next tutorial.